We are at Delhi Darwaza. If you are aware of this place, you know where we are heading to. If not, we are entering the famous Daryaganj market. The history of this place dates back to the Mughal era when it was called Faiz Bazaar. It used to be a posh and vibrant market with beautiful houses on both sides of a stream that flowed down through the market from a horse. With trees lined up for shade, it looked like an exotic garden turned into a market. Though the picture's image has withered into the dust of history, the vibrancy of the market exists till today.
Today it's Sunday, an unusual day for this bazaar. It's a day where a new market emerges on its pavement. It's called Kitab Bazaar or the Sunday Book Market. Hundreds of people throng this place to buy books. Here in this market you can buy books virtually on any topic at throwaway prices. So let's take a tour of this Sunday Book Bazaar.
Make it sure that I come once in a month. I have bought books on autobiographies, basically like focusing on women, women leaders and all.
The Sunday Market or Kitab Bazaar was established in 1964 when it used to be a small place for booksellers. Today, the bazaar is nearly a 2-kilometer stretch from Delhi Darwaza to Lohe Ka Pul, which is now non-existent.
हमारे यहाँ 270 स्टॉल लगते हैं दरियागंज के अंदर, जिसके अंदर अब ये किताबों के ऊपर अपनी अपनी एक कैपेसिटी है कि इसके बाद कितना माल है, कितनी किताबें हैं, किस तरह की किताबें हैं ये। लेकिन ये है कि कम से कम एक दुकानदार 15-15, 20-20 हज़ार रुपए की तो सेल करता ही है।
Every weekend, thousands of people visit the place. The elderly, the youth, children, tourists, locals. It is thronged by an eclectic crowd. Classics, NCERT, ICSC, State Board and children books. The market offers a complete variety to visitors.
So I'm here for the first time in this Sunday book market, and a lot of my friends, they come here every Sunday, but unfortunately I've never been here before. This time I thought let me come here and buy some books for my kid.
It does look like a business of road hawkers, but the shopkeepers are trying hard to keep up with technology and stay in competition. They have built a website for this market as well. They say that in a time of internet, you have to have presence on the web.
हमने इस बाज़ार का एक वेबसाइट भी बनवाया हुआ है sundaybookbazaar.com से। आप उस पर जा करके बाज़ार की हिस्ट्री के बारे में जान सकते हैं, और बाज़ार का ये मेन उद्देश्य है, हमने इसका नारा दिया हुआ है बुक्स फॉर ऑल।
While this Kitab Bazaar is thriving now, it has seen some bad days in the past when the administration denied permission to host the market in Daryaganj. The booksellers had to fight the case in court.
इस बाज़ार के लिए हमने करीब 40 साल से काफ़ी संघर्ष किया। सुप्रीम कोर्ट के अंदर इस बाज़ार को हमने चैलेंज किया, जिसको एमसीडी दिल्ली पुलिस ने इस बाज़ार को नोटराइज बाज़ार करार दिया।
From starting up a legal practice at a time when it was unheard in India to today becoming a force to reckon with.
I started dabbling with languages in 5th grade itself. We had some basic languages like basic and logo, in which the turtle moves across the screen.